Former FBI Director James Comey is set to appear in a federal courthouse in the next few hours. He will enter his plea and defend his innocence in the Justice Department's criminal case against him. Comey is accused of lying to Congress and obstructing proceedings 5 years ago, which he denies. His arraignment is largely seen as an attack from the Trump administration. CBS News correspondent Natalie Brand joins us from Capitol Hill with more on this. You see Torian Small. We'll chat with him in moments. Natalie, good morning. What might we expect from this morning?
Good morning, Errol. Well, legal analysts expect this to be a typical arraignment, but obviously this is far from a typical case. It marks a major escalation in President Trump's efforts to go after past opponents.
This morning, former FBI Director James Comey is set to take on the Justice Department he once served. He's charged with obstruction of justice and making false statements related to 5-year-old Senate testimony during which he denied authorizing leaks to the media.
I'm innocent, so let's have a trial.
Comey has been an outspoken critic of President Trump in the 8 years since he was ousted during the first Trump administration. The indictment last month came days after the president on social media pressured Attorney General Pam Bondi to prosecute Comey and political rivals, declaring justice must be served.
I think he's a crooked guy. He's a dirty cop.
During a heated hearing on Capitol Hill Tuesday, Bondi refused to answer questions about the Comey case, and she denied the president's social media post was a directive.
President Trump is the most transparent president in American history, and I don't think he said anything that he hasn't said for years.
I think this is a tough case.
CBS News legal analyst Jessica Levinson says perjury and obstruction can be difficult charges to prove. She also says the defense could potentially file a motion to dismiss the case.
Depending on what a judge allows, James Comey could argue that he is just the victim of a political prosecution.
New interim U.S. Attorney for the Eastern District of Virginia, Lindsay Halligan, is handling the case along with 2 assistant U.S. attorneys from North Carolina after recent firings and resignations in the office.
And you may recall Halligan, who is nominated for her current post just weeks ago, previously served as President Trump's personal attorney. Now, the judge overseeing this case, randomly assigned, was appointed by former President Biden in 2021. President Trump has already taken to social media to criticize him, calling him a, quote, crooked Biden-appointed judge, suggesting Comey is off to a good start. This arraignment, Errol, scheduled for 10 a.m.
All right, and we will bring viewers updates on that. Natalie, thank you.